Breaking news coming in on this particular story itself. The D Street has cheered the GST reforms. Nifty and Sensex up by 1% at the market open. Gap up, opening for indices. Nifty FMCG jumps over 2.5% as household items get cheaper. Auto stocks up over 2.5% as well. So that is the latest breaking news coming in, viewers, after the impact that we are seeing on the market after the GST reforms. The D Street is cheering the reforms, and Nifty and Sensex have been up by 1% as the market open. GAP up for opening, and Nifty FMCG jumps over 2.5%. That is the market update coming in this morning, viewers. Household items have gone cheaper. Auto stocks have gone up to over 2.5%. So this is the fact that the big GST reforms coming in at this point in time, a relief for the common man. My colleague Pranav joins us on the phone line to help us with more details. Pranav, the markets are looking good this morning. Help us with details.
Yes, absolutely. This is in fact a gap up opening, as they see on D Street. It's opened very, very strong. Over the past 2-3 days, the markets were showing strength because of the GST reforms. But after the announcements that were made yesterday, just to give you a perspective, the consumption is expected to boost by about 1.98 lakh crore. And that is what the D Street is betting big on. This is the auto stocks have gone up because the middle class could be buying more vehicles during the festive season because of the GST relief. Most of the common household items have gotten cheaper, because of which the FMCG stocks are up. So overall, D Street is definitely welcoming the reforms that were announced yesterday.
Well, also before I let you go, what are we expecting from the upcoming days to come? Because as you rightly mentioned, the markets were not performing very well for the last few days. But today, coming up as a cheer in terms of the GST reforms, is an impact that we are seeing that is coming from the side of the government.
Yes, absolutely. There are two aspects to look at it. One is, of course, this cannot be looked at without considering the tariff war that has been going on, so to say. According to Moody's research, the tariffs are expected to hit about 0.6% of the GDP, whereas the GST reforms that have been announced yesterday are expected to boost GDP by 1.6%. Add to that the tax, reforms that were announced during budget. So overall consumption will get increased. The third point that I want to make is that the domestic investors have been banking and betting big on D Street and buying Indian equities. So it shows that the strength of the economy is growing, the consumption is growing, and the confidence of Indian investor in the Indian markets is growing.
Right, Pranav. At this point in time, we're getting more breaking news coming in on